With it, group drop.
I'm sorry, secret siren, but I'm blocking out your calls. I had my adventure, you tell me something new. I'm afraid of when I'm risking if I follow you into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the unknown.สวัสดีค่ะท่านผู้ชมวันนี้ก็มาพบช่องราชีวิชารีวิว EP 7นะคะวันนี้ทุกคนสงสัยไหมคะทำไมมีเก้าอี้2 ตัวเพราะว่าหนูมีแขกรับเชิญค่ะก็คือคุณครูของหนูยังจะเสกคุณครูให้มาก่อนนะคะ
Hello, my name is Preva. I am her English and math tutor. And what are we going to do today?
We are going to look at the Play-Doh slime. Let's get our Play-Doh slime here. This is a slime that we will review today, but today this one is the same color. We will look at my slime and Putty's slime of Play-Doh. What is the most good slime?
So you did it yourself?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Did you show the viewers how to do it?
Yes, I already showed everyone the viewers too. You can go look at EP3 down here, okay?
Yeah. And we have the warning here, kids. So the warning say that not for children under 3 years old. So be careful if you want to play it.
So let's open it. Wow. Ooh, the container is very beautiful.
Yeah.
But we will look at our slime first. And look at this one.
Okay.
This is our slime.
Wow.
Wow. The slime is very good.
Nice dishy.
Yeah, it's very stretchy. But we will look at the slime now.
Okay.
Oh! It's a slime like this, everybody.
Is the color the same that is plain here?
Yes, it's the same, but it's not the same as
That's
our
this one, yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Let's
darker.
put it
This
in
one
here
is
first.
brighter.
Yes, let's put it in here first. Ooh, the texture is really good. Ooh. Let's take it out. Ooh, it's very good, the texture. Ooh. Let's take it out. It's very good.
Oh, there's some glitter in it.
Yes, they have glitter.
Oh, wow.
This is a putty slime.
The texture is very good.
Yeah. And I will open this and let's come back and see the slime. Bye. Let's play with 2 of this. Let's play with this first. You separate it in half.
Thank you.
Here. The
Oh, the
texture
texture.
is like a putty.
It's like a slime, but
It's
harder. Yeah.
Harder than a slime, and you cannot blow it in a balloon. Look. See it? It cannot be a big balloon.
Yeah.
But it's very stretchy.
But I'm so impressed with the color though. It's very shimmery, shiny.
Yes, me too. Ooh. This putty slime can live it, open lid with like a while. And this slime will be better with the people that don't like soft slime that stick to your hand a lot of time because this slime don't stick to anything. It's not stick to your table. It's not stick to your chair, your wall, and the glass.
Skin.
The skin is very good. more?
It depends actually because this one is quite soft. It's very soft and so relaxing when you play with it. But this one, I really like the color, and it's good that you can leave it open with the lids, and it will be the same.
Yes, and it's soft.
Yeah, it's soft.
And very, very stretchy. So let's play with it.
But the thing is, you can't make a big balloon out of it, right?
Yes.
This one, you can do it. Ooh,
I'll try to make a big balloon.
do you want more?
It's okay.
Try to do a small balloon. Won't work.
It's not working. Ooh. Ooh, what? Everyone look at this. This is a sound line. Here it's very beautiful. But when you do like this, is this the darker color? Look here.
Or you can make the popping sound also.
Yes, we can make the popping sound, but we can't make the
Balloon.
balloon. So who wanna know how to make the texture of bubble and slime? Like this one can stick a finger in. This one can too, but it will be harder. Like this, it will not have a lot of sound like this one. Look at this one. This one have the, when you put your finger in this one, it will be hard, but this one will be very soft. So putty slime is good for the people that they love the slime that don't stick on your hand. But this slime makes you relax and dip your finger in. It will be better and have sound better than this one.
So that's why people use this one for the ASMR, right?
นี่ก็เป็นช่วงสรุปแสนสนุกแล้วนะคะ วันนี้เราก็จะมีประโยคง่ายๆ มาบอกเพื่อนๆ เกี่ยวกับสลามนะคะ
So
ประโยคแรก
the first one will be, this is very interesting. Interesting.
สลามตัวนี้น่าสนใจมากๆ น่าสนใจนะคะ
And I think this slime is better than this one. Better.
คุณครูคิดว่าอันนี้ดีกว่าตัวนี้นะคะ หรือว่าคำว่าตัวนี้ดีกว่าตัวนี้ ตัวนี้ดีกว่าตัวนี้
And the last one will be stretchy. These two slime are very stretchy.
ประโยคสุดท้ายก็คือ2ตัวนี้นะคะ ยืดหยุ่นมาก มันยืดมากๆนะคะ ก็คือ it's very stretchy งั้นวันนี้ช่วงสรุปแสนสนุกก็ลาไปก่อนนะคะ บ๊ายบาย สวัสดีค่ะ
Sick with it. Group drop.